who is said to become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant, who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025. Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Global Hunger Index? Right answer is option C, 102nd rank. Which country was the host of 47th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, Malaysia, who has been appointed as an executive director of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025. Right answer is option C, Sonali Sen Gupta. Which country hosted the 8th session of International Solar Alliance in October 2025? Right answer is option B, India. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Index of Economic Freedom? Right answer is option A, 128th rank. Who has been selected for the Shastra Ramanujan Prize 2025? Right answer is option D, Alexander Smith. Which state government has declared 2025 as the year of urban development? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which state won the 30th Senior Women's National Football Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, Manipur. Who has been appointed as the president of ASSOCHAM? Right answer is option C, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Which Indian state recently became the first state to pass a bill amending the Central Wildlife Protection Act 1972? Right answer is option A, Kerala. What is the rank of India in the recently released Henley Passport Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 85th rank. How many medals did India win in 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option C, 22 medal. Recently, where was the World Health Summit 2025 held in October 2025? Right answer is option B, Berlin, Germany. Who was recently appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Union Bank of India? Right answer is option B, Ashish Pandey. Which country became the newest state member of the IUCN in October 2025? Right answer is option B, Armenia. What is the rank of India in the Sustainable Trade Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 24th rank. Where will the 11th India International Science Festival be held? Right answer is option A, Chandigarh. Who has been recently appointed as the head of the Controller General of Defence Accounts? Right answer is option C, Vishwajit Sahai, who will be awarded the Nobel Prize 2025 in the field of physics. Right answer is option D, all of the above, John Clarke, Mitchell H. Deverett, and John M. Martinez. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Right answer is option C, Sirish Chandra Murmu. Where was the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference held? Right answer is option A, Barbados. Where was Google's first artificial intelligence hub in India inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Who won the Filmfare Award 2025 for Best Film? Right answer is option C, Lapata Ladies. Where was the inaugural Indian Boxing Federation Cup held in October 2025? Right answer is option D, Chennai. Who were awarded the 2025 Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences? Right answer is option D, all of the above. Joel McCree, Philippe Aghion, and Peter Howitt. Recently, which Indian institution has been ranked as the top Indian institute? Right answer is option B, IISc, Bangalore. World Animal Welfare Day 2025 was celebrated on which day? Right answer is option A, 4th October. India's first ever cheetah safari for tourists has recently been inaugurated at which national park? Right answer is option C, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, where did the Indian Air Force celebrated its 93rd Foundation Day? Right answer is option A, Ghaziabad. In which Indian city the 6th edition of the Global FinTech Fest 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Mumbai. Who launched the world's first virtual museum for stolen cultural property? Right answer is option C, UNESCO. What is the global rank of Indian Air Force in the 2025 WDMMA rankings? Right answer is option C, third rank. How many Ramsar sites are there in India as of October 2025? Right answer is option D, 94 Ramsar sites. Where was India's first semiconductor innovation museum inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Hyderabad, Telangana. Who has won women's and men's title in the Kabaddi at the Asian Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option B, India. Who has been appointed as the president of the FICCI for 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, Anant Goenka. Which city became the first city in India to launch a real-time flood forecasting system? Right answer is option D, Chennai. Which became the first non-NATO country to participate in exercise Ocean Sky 2025? Right answer is option B, India. The world's first solar thermal power plant has been started by which country in the Gobi Desert? Right answer is option B, China. Where was the third edition of the International Purple Fest, Purple Fair 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Goa. What is the name of India's newest proposed research center in eastern Antarctica? Right answer is option D, Maitri second. Which state will build India's first fully solar powered zoo? Right answer is option A, Odisha. Who won India's first ever Miss Universe title in 2025? Right answer is option B, Sari Singh. World Habitat Day 2025 was celebrated on which day? Right answer is option D, 6th October. Recently, Dinesh K. Patnaik has been appointed as the ambassador of India to which country? Right answer is option A, Canada. Who has become the chief of National Crime Records Bureau? Right answer is option A, Alok Ranjan. Who has been announced as the mascot for the FIFA World Cup 2026? Right answer is option D, all of the above, Jayu, Maple and Clutch. Which state's tourism departments had received the Global Tourism Award for the year 2025? Right answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which two organizations have jointly launched the Promise to Children campaign? Right answer is option C, ICC and UNICEF. Which edition of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated in 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.